Cognac West is an area that we developed our targets at last year. So we embarked on a large soil sampling program and defined some geochem anomalies there. We also followed it up with geological mapping and rock chip sampling, where we got some quite awesome results, up to 2,000 grams per tonne in a quartz vein out there at anomaly A. So we put all that data together. We came up with this drill program. Up to 75 RC holes are planned, which we're going to drill over a couple of phases, campaign style. We like to keep cost effectiveness to a point here at Dynamic. So we'll drill it sort of slow and steady, wins the race. So that's where we're at the moment. So the first phase of the program has finished now.
And so what are you hoping to learn from the results from this first phase?
So the results from this first phase, it's quite a geologically complex area. But that's what we love when we're looking for gold. So we really need to understand the geology, and both, even though anomaly A and anomaly B are quite close to each other, a couple of kilometres away, they're in different geological terrain. So what we want to really understand is where the potential source of mineralisation might be coming from. So this first part of the program is very important just for understanding the geological framework for which we're in. We'll use that to refine any targeting and then take that through to the next phase of drilling.
So what's your timing here for these assays, and what are your upcoming drill plans?
Yeah, so with the assaying at the moment, so another thing that some of our viewers might not be familiar with is that when we do RC drilling, a big component of drilling costs can be attributed to your assaying, actually. So what we do to be quite cost effective here in bigger programs like this, we are sampling 4-metre composites. So at the drill rig, we take samples every 1 metre. What we do is we make these combination samples, composite samples, where we take a little bit of, we'll take sort of 4-metre blocks. We send that off to the lab first. And when we find anomalous areas of gold, we will then resend those 1 metre intervals back for sampling. So that helps keep our program costs down. In a program like this, it saves us like $250,000, for example. So those kind of things are important. So if people are wondering why the first bunch of assays might be sort of these sort of 4-metre composites, we'll go back and we'll get some more back. That timing will be quite quick afterwards. So just a little bit of an education there. So once we get those results back, as I said, we'll feed that into geological modelling. Drilling's planning to resume end of April is our plans at this moment with that new information.